Hey, no offense, but this guy almost makes it look like he invented steak, for crying out loud. Well, I'm going to show you, with a cooktop and an oven, you can do even better than Gordon Ramsay. These electric cooktops have a lot of energy, and you can certainly sear a steak on both sides pretty easily. And I'm doing this outside of my terrace so I don't smoke up the house. We'll start with 100% grass-fed beef ribeye steak. I'm going to season it with this hella spice that I really like, but you can choose your own type of spices. After I've patted the moisture off, I've seasoned it on both sides. And I'm going to cook a sweet potato in the microwave just to add a little color to the plate. Now it's gotten dark outside, but I've got my cooktop set at 460, and I'm going to sear these on each side for about 2 minutes. Meanwhile, back inside, I've got some butter in a pan, and I'm going to put some olive oil in there so that I can put some garlic that I've chopped up. And I'm going to take that garlic, saute it, and then put the spinach in to saute the spinach. Now it looks like a lot of spinach in there, but it's going to cook down to 2 nice-sized portions. The seared steaks into the oven at 350. And with that nice ribeye steak, I'm picking out a really good bottle of Cab. And in less than 25 minutes, this whole meal has been put together. That sweet potato's ready, so I'm going to cut that, and we're going to get ready to serve our meal. Let's steak the plate, get our Cab out, and let's start to enjoy this meal. Ah, the steak came out a nice medium rare.
Wow.
So, you don't have to be Gordon Ramsay to make the perfect steak. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.